Smart humidifiers make it easier than ever to maintain the perfect air quality in your bedroom. With features like app control, automatic humidity adjustment, quiet operation, and voice assistant compatibility, these devices help create a more comfortable and healthier sleeping environment. In this video, we'll explore the 5 best smart humidifiers 2026 that combine convenience, modern technology, and reliable performance for better sleep every night. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Let's dive in and get started. Dreo Smart Humidifiers. Experience smarter comfort at home with the Dreo Smart Humidifier, designed to keep your air perfectly balanced without the guesswork. Its precise auto humidity control senses your environment and adjusts mist levels automatically to maintain your ideal comfort zone. With Alexa, Google Voice, and the Dreo app, you can control humidity, timers, and ambient lighting effortlessly using simple voice commands or your phone. Powered by Dreo's dual intake system, this humidifier produces a strong, consistent, cool mist that spreads quickly across large bedrooms, living rooms, or office spaces, helping relieve dryness, allergies, and discomfort faster. The generous 4-liter top fill tank delivers up to 36 hours of continuous operation, while ultra-quiet performance keeps sound as low as a whisper, making it perfect for restful sleep or a baby's nursery. Advanced high-frequency atomization releases an ultra-fine mist that humidifies evenly without leaving wet spots on furniture or floors. Optional demineralization and clean mist cartridges help reduce white dust, simplify maintenance, and keep the mist cleaner, ensuring healthier air and long-lasting performance every day.
OasisMist Humidifier. Breathe easier and feel the difference with the OasisMist Humidifier, designed to bring fast relief from dry indoor air. Using ultrasonic technology, it delivers a steady stream of cool mist that helps reduce dryness in your skin, throat, and sinuses within minutes. Its silent operation creates a calm, comfortable environment, making it ideal for bedrooms, nurseries, or offices where uninterrupted sleep and focus matter most. With multiple mist settings and a simple control dial, you can easily customize humidity levels to match your comfort. The 360-degree rotating nozzle directs mist exactly where you need it, ensuring balanced coverage throughout the room. A large 2.2-liter tank provides up to 26 hours of continuous use, so you can enjoy lasting comfort without frequent refills. Designed for convenience, the filter-free system reduces maintenance, while automatic shutoff protects the device when water runs low. Built for reliability and long-term performance, this humidifier offers a simple, effective way to improve air quality and create a more comfortable living space every day. Enjoy soothing comfort every day with the Boxing Mist Humidifier, designed to make dry air a thing of the past. Its large 3-liter tank delivers up to 30 hours of continuous cool mist, helping ease congestion, dry skin, and throat irritation while creating a healthier environment for bedrooms, nurseries, and even indoor plants. The convenient one-step top-fill design makes refilling quick and mess-free, so you can spend less time maintaining and more time relaxing. With whisper-quiet operation at just 20 decibels, this humidifier works silently in the background, supporting better sleep, focus, and relaxation. The intuitive knob control allows you to easily adjust mist levels to match your comfort, day or night. An optional nightlight adds gentle visibility without disturbing your rest, while the essential oil feature transforms your room into a calming retreat. Built with safety and convenience in mind, automatic shutoff protection and BPA-free materials ensure reliable, worry-free use, making it a simple and comforting addition to your daily routine.
Chival's Humidifiers. Bring comfort and freshness into your home with the Chival's Humidifier, a versatile 2-in-1 humidifier and diffuser designed for larger living spaces. Delivering up to 300 milliliters per hour of ultra-fine cool mist, it quickly restores moisture to dry indoor air, helping relieve congestion, coughing, and dry skin while creating a more comfortable environment during colder seasons. The separate essential oil tray allows you to enjoy gentle aromatherapy without affecting the humidifier's performance. The generous 6-liter water tank provides up to 50 hours of continuous operation on low settings, reducing the need for frequent refills. A smart indicator light alerts you when water is low, and automatic shutoff ensures safe operation at all times. With simple knob control and quiet performance at just 26 decibels, it runs smoothly without disturbing sleep or daily activities. The top fill design makes refilling and cleaning easy, while the optional night light adds a soft glow when needed. Reliable, practical, and easy to maintain, it's a thoughtful addition to any home. Everlasting humidifiers. Create a more comfortable living space with the Everlasting Humidifier, designed to deliver long-lasting moisture and soothing relief from dry air. Its large 6-liter tank provides up to 50 hours of continuous cool mist, making it perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, offices, or large rooms up to 500 square feet. By maintaining balanced humidity levels, it helps reduce dryness, congestion, and skin irritation while supporting healthier indoor air for families, plants, and pets. The filterless design makes maintenance simple and cost-effective, with a wide tank opening that allows easy cleaning and refilling. Adjustable mist control lets you personalize humidity levels, while the 360-degree rotating nozzle ensures even coverage throughout the room. Quiet ultrasonic operation keeps the environment peaceful, making it ideal for sleep, work, or relaxation. With a built-in essential oil tray, this humidifier also doubles as a gentle aromatherapy diffuser, filling your space with calming scents while improving air moisture for everyday comfort.